This week in the Frame Shop, we're doing a dog wash for Mickey at Faulkner Design. Now, the original artwork in the dog wash was printed on paper and framed under glass, and it's so humid in there that it molded. Now, we didn't supply that artwork, but we are tasked with fixing this problem. So our solution is to print on PVC. This is a hard plastic product that is used a lot in the sign industry, but we're liking it more and more using it in the art industry. It's very durable. It has a nice matte finish, so there's no glass and no reflection from glass. The white ink on these pieces is a little unusual. You need a separate channel on the printer for printing white ink, so not all printers will do that, but we have that capability. So we feel really confident that these pieces are going to solve the problem. They're going to be durable in this humid situation, and I think this will serve them well and solve their problem. So bring us your regular art and framing needs, bring us your problems. We'll do our best, give it a shot, and I'll see you next time in the Frame Shop.